Hello everybody and welcome to Newegg TV. My name is Anthony and today we're taking a look at the in-wind track mid-tower case. Now on the front, of course, you can see they've got the case here and they're showing a tank, so they're making it look tough and rugged. You know, a lot of steel looking pieces on the front. On the side, of course, you can see some of the main features. Holds up to a 320 millimeter premium VGA card, so you can fit a large graphic card in there. It's got the 5 1/4, 3 1/2, 2 1/2 drive bays. We expect that. Tool-free installation, becoming pretty standard. It's pretty exciting. Let's see, supports up to 120 millimeter fan by 5 on the side panel there. And then it's got the 3 1/2 SATA hard drive hot swappable module included. Alright, on the back you can see a clearer picture of the case itself with the side open. It's showing you the picture with the PCI Express slots, showing you that you can fit longer cards in there. Those are your front USBs. It's showing you here that you can attach a 220 millimeter fan to the side panel, showing the hot swappable bays, and then a removable fan cage that's located at the front of the case. Get it around again, and it's showing that according to the specifications it's a mid-tower size case. It's made of SECC steel. It's got your different drive bay dimensions. It shows that it can hold an ATX or a micro ATX board. Of course, ATX power supply, your standard expansion slots, your front ports, your thermal or cooling solutions, the general case dimensions, and then any sort of optional accessories, so different drive cages, things like that. Let's go ahead and get this thing open, take a look inside. Now that we got it open, one of the first things to fall out was the color fold-out manual. Inwind makes a very good habit of including full color manuals in their products. Let's take a look at the case. Now on the front you'll notice, of course, here's your USB 3, 2 USB 2s, your mic and headphone out, hard drive indicator, and power button. You have your 3 5 1/4 drive bays, and then going down it appears that you have 3 more. Now you'll notice this one also has the cutout for a 3 1/2 inch bay, so we're going to take a look inside, see if there's a cage for that or how that works. On the side, you'll notice that it's got, with the yellow pegs, the 220 millimeter fan mounted. Otherwise, you can use 2 120s in there. On the back, of course, you have a 120 millimeter fan. You have your grommet for your USB 3 loopback or water cooling, your I/O port area, and then your PCI Express expansions, and bottom mounted power supply. On this side, pretty basic back panel. Has some fun design on it there. On the top you see the raised 120 millimeter fan, assumably to keep everything out of your way when you're installing. Let's go ahead and open it up, see what we've got. Of course, here's a better look at that 220 millimeter fan. Alright. So looking inside here, you'll see their toolless system. So you just twist these on and off of these drive bays. And it's that easy for installation. So down here you'll notice you have more room for your 5 1/4 bays. Right here they have a little mount. Right here you'll see they have a little mount for a 2 1/2 inch drive. And then here are your quick mounts for your 3 1/2, or they have the bottom screw holes for 2 1/2. Now inside, as far as the wiring goes, you'll see your conventional wiring for your fan, USB 3 loopback cable, everything else there. You'll notice right here on the side of the drives, you have plenty of room for cable management, so it looks like you could actually run these wires along the side and then out of the back here so they don't get in the way of all your drives. Of course, you'll see back here, this is also given some good space away from the side panel, so that way you can run wires through there, but it's also got the CPU backplate cutout for better cooling. If we turn it up top, you can see that 120mm fan. Now you do see that it is flush with this top rail here to keep it completely out of the way of your motherboard tray. Looking at the bottom, you can see that this has a removable filter. Slides in and out. One of the better ones I've seen, a little bit more rigid, a little easier to get in and out. On the back, of course, you can see the last 120mm fan. You have your spot for your I/O shield and your motherboard. And then, of course, your PCI Express quick releases. Well, guys, that's been our overview on the InWin Track mid-tower case. My name's Anthony, and thank you for watching Newegg TV. We'll see you next time.